Thanks for giving a great response to our challenge of writing task 2. In this challenge, if you don't know, we have included all the typical questions which have come in the IELTS exam so far. So I'm talking about day 5 answer today. It was on peer pressure. The answer is on your screen. The question was that mostly the youngsters or young adults, young people are influenced by in their behaviors by their peer group, that is the people of the same age group. Is it a positive or a negative development? See, when we talk about peer pressure, the word pressure is included in this. So on first go we think कि इसके disadvantages ज़्यादा हैं, तो let's discuss disadvantages first. दो advantages भी हैं. डिसएडवांटेजेस ये हैं कि जो सेम पीयर ग्रुप होता है, कभी कभी उनसे रॉन्ग हैबिट्स की तरफ जाना बहुत ज़्यादा पॉसिबल होता है. बिकॉज पर्टिकुलरली अगर हम टीनेजर्स की बात करें तो अगर अपने फ्रेंड्स को देखते हैं ऑन डूइंग अ पर्टिकुलर थिंग, दे ऑल्सो फील दैट दे शुड डू दिस particular thing. For example, if somebody is found smoking or drinking, somewhere they are also provoked to try that at least once. Similarly, we have seen teenagers nowadays. See, the legal age of riding or driving is above 18 or 18 and above. But many youngsters and teenagers, they're driving, they're riding vehicles, they're riding two-wheelers also. And how they're inspired? Because one of their age group member is doing and their parents have allowed, so other children are also demanding the same is with mobile phones. So mostly if you talk about teenage, then peer pressure is mostly influencing them negatively, because this is the age when they have impressionable mind. ज़्यादा वो समझ नहीं पाते कि क्या सही है क्या गलत है, और वो मोस्टली गलत चीज़ों की तरफ ज़्यादा अट्रैक्ट होते हैं. बट ऐसा नहीं है कि इट ओनली हैव लिमिटेशंस, इसके पॉजिटिव इफेक्ट्स भी हैं. peer pressure sometimes motivates you to achieve great aims in life. हाँ, if you have good company, good peer group, then they motivate you to do great work. For example, हमने देखा है बहुत सारे teenagers कभी कभी when they are interested in music, so they create their own band, they are influenced by each other and they want to do something great in life. So company matters. अगर company अच्छी है तो peer group, peer pressure really helps you. Sometimes when you find your friends really working hard in studies, you also get inspired and you also want to work really hard and achieve great aims in life. So peer pressure, positive negative दोनों है. It depends on the mentality of the child as to how, or the young person, how they are taking it. So इसके positive negative दोनों है. But I think if taken in right spirit, it is positive. But if the youngsters are only attracted towards negative thing, then it can really be problematic. That's all. I'll soon come up with the next challenge, day 6. So be ready and be prepared. If you are able to answer these challenge questions, let me assure you, you will be able to answer any question in your upcoming IELTS exam. Thank you and have a nice day.